गुड मॉर्निंग स्टुडंट्स. आज आपला टॉपिक आहे लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू व्हेरिएबल आणि त्यामधला क्रॅमर्स रूलनी सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन सॉल्व करणे. आणि आज आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.3 मधील क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 मधील सब क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 पाहणार आहोत. टुडे वी आर स्टडिंग द प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.3 and the problem is in question number 3, 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 and x minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So these two equations are simultaneous equations and these two equations we are solving using the Cramer's rules. तर विद्यार्थ्यांनो, आपले ज्ञानदेव अकॅडमीमध्ये स्वागत आहे. जे विद्यार्थी मित्र प्रथमतःच या चॅनलला भेट देत आहे त्यांनी प्लीज सबस्क्राईब करावं, शेअर करावं आणि लाईक करावं. चला तर मग आपण आता प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करण्याला सुरुवात करूया. सोल्युशन. Given equations, two x plus 3y is equal to 2, x minus y by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. These two equations are in the standard form. Ax plus by is equal to c. So in first equation, 2 is the coefficient of x, 3 is the coefficient of y and 2 is the constant. In second equation, coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is minus 1 by 2, because minus y by 2 means minus 1 by 2y. Therefore coefficient of y is minus 1 by 2 and constant is 1 by 2. So there is no need to convert this equation in standard form because these two equations are already in standard form. Ax plus by is equal to c. So here a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3 and c1 is equal to 2. In second equation, a2 is equal to 1 because coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y b2 is equal to minus 1 upon 2 and c2 is equal to 1 by 2. So when we solve simultaneous equation by Cramer's rule, then we have to find the value of d, dx and dy. So we are finding dx and dy because the variables in these two equations are x and y. So first we will find the value of d. D is equal to a1 b1 a2 b2. We will put here values of a1 b1 a2 b2. So 2 1 3 minus 1 by 2. या ठिकाणी थोडासा काळजीपूर्वक तुम्हाला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे, व्हॅल्यू काढायची आहे, कारण या ठिकाणी कोएफिशिएंट हे निगेटिव्ह आहेत. सो व्हेन वी फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ दिस डिटर्मिनंट, देन वी हॅव टू मल्टिप्लाय or we have to write the product carefully. 2 into minus 1 upon 2 minus 3 into 1. 2 into minus 1 by 2. So 2 into minus 1 by 2. 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2 upon 2. Minus 2 upon minus 2 upon 2 is equal to minus 1. So product of these two number is minus 1. Minus 3 into 1, 3. Minus 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 4. This is the value of D. Now we will find the value of dx. Dx is equal to C1, C2, B1, B2. So C1 is equal to 2, B1 is equal to 3, C2 is equal to 1 upon 2 and B2 is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Now 2 into minus 1 upon 2 minus 3 into 1 upon 2. 2 into minus 1 upon 2 are 2 into minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1. Minus 3 into 1 by 2. So 3 into 1, 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. So it has no denominator. Minus 1 has no denominator. So we will multiply minus 1 into 2. No denominator means there is denominator is 1. So minus 1 into 2 minus 2 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 upon 2. 1 into 2. Therefore minus 5 upon 2. Minus 5 upon 2. This is the value of dx. Now we will find value of dy. A1, A2, dy is equal to determinant dy is equal to A1, C1, A2, C2. I will put here value of A1, C1. So A1 is equal to 2, C1 is equal to 2, A2 is equal to 1 and C2 is equal to 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 upon 2 minus 2 into 1. Now 2 into 1 upon 2 is equal to, we will make bracket here. So 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. This is the value of dy. This is the value of d and this is the value of minus 5 by 2 is the value of dx. We will write here values of d. D is equal to minus 4. Dx is equal to minus 5 by 2 and dy is equal to minus 1. So we have got the value of d, dx and dy. आता आपण काय करू, क्रॅमर्स रूलचा उपयोग करून आपण x आणि y च्या किमती करू. आपल्याला d, dx आणि dy च्या किमती मिळालेल्या आहेत. d ची किंमत -4 आहे, dx ची किंमत -5/2 आहे, dy ची किंमत -1 आहे. सो इथे आपण लिहूया युजिंग Cramer's rule. X is equal to dx by d according to Cramer's rule. Value of x is equal to dx upon d. We will put here value of dx and d. Value of dx is minus 5 upon 2 upon minus 4. Minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2 divided by minus 4. So minus 5 by 2 into minus 4 has no denominator. So there must be denominator 1. So when we change the sign, then we have to write the inverse of minus 1 upon 4, that is 1 upon minus 4. Here we have used the rule a upon b divided by c upon d is equal to a by b into d by c. So minus 5 by 2 divided by minus 4 is equal to minus 5 by 2 into minus 1 by 4 is equal to minus 5 by 2 into minus 4 by minus 1 upon 4 minus minus plus 5 into 1 5 and 2 into 4 8. This is the value of x. Now we will find the value of y. Y is equal to dy upon d. Value of dy is minus 1 and value of d is equal to minus 4 is equal to minus minus plus is equal to 1 upon 4. So answer here x is equal to 5 by 2 and y is equal to 1 upon 4. So x is equal to 5 by 8 and y is equal to 1 upon 4 is the solution of given simultaneous इक्वेशन्स आर. हां, दोन्ही प्रकारे उत्तर लिहायची गरज नाही. तुम्ही कोणतंही एकच उत्तर लिहायचं. एक तर असं लिहायचं किंवा असं लिहायचं. एक्स वाय इज इक्वल टू 5 upon 8 and 1 upon 4 is the solution of given simultaneous equations. So you have to write only one answer. There are two type of answer, but you have to write only one type of answer as your wish. Which is convenient, you write it. So we have solved these two simultaneous equations of question number 6, and the solution is x is equal to 5 upon 8 and y is equal to 1 by 4. If you put these values in original equation, that original equation will satisfy for these values. Therefore our answer is correct. You can check it also. So our problem is over. तर विद्यार्थ्यांनो, आता आपला हे प्रॉब्लेम पूर्ण झालेला आहे. तर तुम्ही याप्रमाणे आणखी पुन्हा काही प्रॉब्लेम शोधून अशा प्रकारचे प्रॉब्लेम तुम्ही सॉल्व करावं, आणि जेणेकरून तुमचं याच्यामध्ये काय होईल की कुठल्याही प्रकारचा प्रॉब्लेम जरी आला तर तुम्ही चांगल्या प्रकारे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करू शकता. ओके, थँक्यू.